All right, guys, I wanted to do a quick video highlighting how to set up and solve systems of equations using matrices. We did this in class. I just wanted to reiterate it and give you something to review before the exam. There are 3 steps to setting it up. The first step is to set up your matrix equation. To set up your matrix equation, you have to set one matrix with your coefficients. So this matrix will be my coefficients. For this system, my coefficients are 5 and -2 and 8, -3. My second matrix is the variables, and my third matrix equals the matrix with 35 and 56. So that is setting up the matrix. You have to be able to set up the matrix. That is one of the standards. Some of your questions are just simply going to ask you to do that. If I set up this matrix down here, again, the coefficients first, 3, -2, and 7, 4, 2, -1, 8, 7, and -6. My second matrix is the variables, x, y, and z, and it equals the answers, 9, 23, and 11. To solve the matrix equation, you can use Desmos matrix calculator. So to solve the first one, my first matrix, which is a 2 by 2, I'm going to enter my coefficient matrix, 5, -2, 8, and -3. That is the coefficient matrix. Since I cannot enter the variable matrix, I'm just going to enter the answers. So I'm going to set up a new matrix, which is now 2 rows by 1 column. So that's going to be 35 and 56. Enter. And so in order to solve the matrix, in order to solve the system of equations, I am going to do the inverse of the first matrix, and I'm going to multiply it by the second matrix. And I'm going to get x equals 7. Since the answer is x, y equals 7 and 0, then the system of equation solution is x equals 7 and y equals 0. If I'm doing the 3 by 3 matrix, I'm doing it the same way. I set up a new matrix with the coefficients. It's 3 by 3. 3, -2, 7, 4, 2, -1, 8, 7, -6. My second matrix is my answers. This is 3 rows by 1 column. And so that's going to be 9, 23, and 11. Enter. And to solve it, I am going to do the inverse of the first, so that's matrix C, the inverse of matrix C multiplied by B. I don't like decimals, so I'm going to do fractions. And my answer there is x, y, and z equals 1182 over 101. The second number is 1217 over 101. And my third number is 29, -29 over 101. So x equals 1182 over 101. Y equals -1217 over 101. And z equals -29 over 1 and 0, 1. That is how you set up and ultimately solve systems using matrices. Thank you.